Next concept is construction of analytic functions. Here construction means what? Generally in our surroundings we are listening this word construction. For example, construction of school buildings, construction of playground, construction of roads, etc. From this we can get the point. Construction means we can say creation or manufacturing. So construction of analytic functions, we can say creation of analytic functions. See, to construct the school buildings, we should have the picture of school buildings. Then only we can construct the school buildings. Like that, to create the analytic function, we should have the idea about analytic function. Then how it will be looks? It will be looks in the form f of z is equals to u plus iv. That means analytic functions will be in the form f of z is equals to u plus iv. To construct the analytic function, we have two methods. In the method 1, we should consider u is harmonic function, or in the step 1, we have to prove u is harmonic function. Sometimes in the problems they will give u is harmonic. Otherwise we have to prove u is harmonic function. If u is harmonic function, then v will be harmonic conjugate to u. Because by the definition of harmonic conjugate, we can say if u is harmonic functions, then v will be harmonic conjugate to u. So in the step 2, take v will be harmonic conjugate to u, or let v be the harmonic conjugate of u. So we have to simplify to get the value of v by using the formula dv is equals to dou v by dou x into dx plus dou v by dou y into dy. It looks like dv is equals to m dx plus n dy. Here m is dou v by dou x, n is dou v by dou y. Then do the integration here. Integration of dv is v. That is equals to integration of m dx. I am considering generally. So integration of m dx, here y is constant, plus integration of n dy, or we can say integration of dou v by dou x into dx, integration of dou v by dou y into dy, we can write, but I am saying generally. That is integration of dv is v, that is equals to integration of m dx, write down as it is integration of m dx, here y is constant, plus integration of n dy. But here we have to consider the values of y only, or constant values only we have to consider. That means the terms of n containing independent of x we have to consider here. That means the terms of n containing only y values or constant values we have to consider. See, after simplification we will get the value of v. Then substitute u and v values in the function f of z. In the third step, we have to substitute u and v values in the function f of z. Then this forms a analytic function. This forms an analytic function. This is method 1. See the example. Prove that u equals to x cube minus 3xy square is harmonic and find the analytic function whose real part is u of x comma y. In the function f of z, u is real part and v is imaginary part. They given the real part and mentioned there u is the real part is harmonic. We have to prove. In the problems, if they ask to prove u is harmonic, or if they given u is harmonic, then we have to use method 1. That we have to remember. Write down u value. Given u is equals to x cube minus 3xy square. What we have to show here? We have to show u is harmonic. Harmonic means Laplace equation should be satisfied. Laplace equation is generally dou square f by dou x square plus dou square f by dou y square for the function f. Here we have to consider a function u. Then Laplace equation becomes dou square u by dou x square plus dou square u by dou y square. Here u is real part they given, but to simplify the Laplace equation, to write down the Laplace equation, we have to consider u as a function. Then Laplace equation becomes dou square u by dou x square plus dou square u by dou y square. To get the value of dou square u by dou x square, we have to differentiate u with respect to x partially 2 times, and also to get the value of dou square u by dou y square, we should differentiate u with respect to y 2 times. So do the differentiation of u. Differentiation of u with respect to x equals to x cube differentiation 3x square minus here x is differentiation 1, we will get 3y square. Next, differentiation of u with respect to x 2 times, we will get dou square u by dou x square. Again differentiation we get dou square u by dou x square, that is equals to x square differentiation 2x, 2 into 3 6, 6x. This differentiation is 0 here because we are differentiating with respect to x. Like that, differentiate u with respect to y, we will get x cube differentiation 0, here y square is 2y, 2 into 3 6, we will get minus 6xy. Again differentiation of u with respect to y, we will get dou square u by dou y square, that is equals to y differentiation 1, then we will get the value minus 6x. Then substitute in the Laplace equation, we will get dou square u by dou x square equals to 6x plus dou square u by dou y square equals to minus 6, minus into plus minus 6x. We will get 0, that means Laplace equation satisfied here. So we can say u is harmonic. This is the step 1. In step 2, we have to take v be the harmonic conjugate to u. So to simplify this v, we should have you should apply the formula dv is equals to dou v by dou x into dx plus dou v by dou y into dy. To simplify the v value, we should take the formula dv. So simplify this. See, here we having the partial derivatives of v with respect to x and y. But we simplified, or they given differentiation of u with respect to x and y. Differentiation of u with respect to x and y partially we having, but we need differentiation of v with respect to x and y partially. So we have to convert v to u, we have to convert. By using the CR equations, we can convert. So use the CR equations. Dou v by dou x means minus dou u by dou y into dx. This is CR equations we are applied here. Dou v by dou y is dou u by dou x. By the CR equations, we can write dou v by dou y as dou u by dou x into dy. Then substitute the dou u by dou y value. We are having dou u by dou y value. What's that? Dou u by dou y is minus 6xy. So substitute here. Minus into minus plus, we will get 6xy dx. Plus dou u by dou x. We got 3x square minus 3y square. So substitute here. Dou u by dou x is 3x square minus 3y square into dy. See, we applied here CR equations because we need dou v by dou x and dou v by dou y, but we having dou u by dou x and dou u by dou y. That's why we should apply the CR equations and then we can simplify it. So simplify it. See, in the third step, we will do the integration. So do the integration. Or to simplify this, we should integrate. That v is equals to, see, after getting this, we have to integrate. Integration of dv is v, that is equals to integration of m dx plus integration of n dy. Integration of n dy means we should consider only y values. So write down in place of n minus 3y square. That is integration of dv is v, that is equals to integration of m dx, here y constant, plus integration of terms of n independent of x into dy. V is equals to integration of m value 6xy dx plus integration of terms of n independent of x, we will get minus 3y square dy. So do the integration here. 6xy integration, see here 6y are constant, put as it is, and x integration x square by 2 minus 3 constant, put as it is. y square integration y cube by 3 plus c. 2 3s are 6. We will get v value 3x square y minus, here 3 3 cancel, minus y cube plus c. That means we simplified the v value. Next, in the third step, we have to substitute u and v values in the function f of z. So substitute u and v values in the function f of z, then we will get f of z is equals to u is x cube minus 3xy square plus I into v value is 3x square y minus y cube plus c. After substituting u and v values in the function f of z, then this function f of z forms a analytic function.